What's so funny, Shay?
Can I show you how to do this toss real quick?
Okay.
Just take one piece, fold it in half, and then kind of roll it up like this, and then fold it in half again. We're going to make two like this. One's going to go on each side, and that's all you have to do is change it out.
Okay, so it does need to be changed out?
You know, by the time you get home, it might be okay to take it out and leave it out.
Okay.
You got the prescriptions already,
Yeah.
so you guys are just heading straight home.
Yeah.
So take it out when you get home and have her eat something and take her pain medication before the numbing
Have
wears
her
off.
eat something?
Yeah.
Okay.
So yogurt, pudding, ice
Okay.
cream, something easy and soft and cold to eat. And then we'll give that a little bit and then take her pain medication so that she doesn't take that on an empty stomach.
Okay.
And then you'll just keep that on a schedule. So we start out with the Lortab, the stronger one. 3 hours later, take a Motrin. 3 hours later, back to Lortab. 3 hours later, back
Just
to Motrin.
rotating.
Alternate those. That'll keep her comfortable. If you need to do that through today and tomorrow,
Okay.
then just kind of see how she does.
Okay.
But the gauze, I'm going to put a fresh piece in now, so by the time you get her home, take it out and have her eat something and stuff. She should be good.
Okay.
You might be able to leave it out. If there's still a little bit of oozing and it's bothering her, you can put another piece in there.
Okay.
How you doing?
You okay, Shay?
Yeah? I'm going to put a new piece of gauze in there, okay? Open? Okay. Okay. Open, open, open. Wide, wide, wide. Oh, I know. Okay, bite. Perfect. Okay, keep your teeth bitten together, okay? Bite down tight. Because there's gauze back there. Clean yourself up.
What's so funny, Shay?
Here's some extra gauze.
Okay.
There's plenty in there. That should be more than enough for you.
And that's what scared you a little bit? She's gonna die when she watches this.
So, phone number for anything, Dr. Christensen's cell phone number if it's after hours.
Okay.
Change out the gauze. We usually save about every 20 or 30 minutes or so. Severe pain and bleeding, call the office. Take the medications as prescribed, so if she needs that anti-nausea medication, she can take that. And then the Paradex Mouth is the other prescription. You got to fill that, or have that. She'll start that tomorrow.
Okay.
And that's just twice a day in the morning and at night.
Okay.
And then she's going to do warm salt water throughout the day, maybe about 4 times a day, in between the Paradex. So
Okay.
just do that starting tomorrow for about 7 to 10 days to keep it real clean.
Okay.
Ice, first 36 hours, 15 minutes on, 15 minutes on the other side. You can just switch it back and forth. Careful, sit up.
Stay sitting up.